Meet Bruce. He is upset because of some fresh dents and dings on his vehicle. There is no need for Bruce to worry. All he has to do is contact Carr Tech Automotive Solutions. Carr Tech has certified technicians who specialize in the art of paintless dent repair. They repair your dents, dings, hail damage, and more without painting your vehicle. Carr Tech works with auto insurance companies, so there is no need to put a major dent in your wallet. They offer same-day solutions on most repairs and can even come to your location. Bruce is happy to choose Carr Tech, and you should too. For your satisfaction guaranteed, contact them today on 574-241-1234 or visit their website at www.cartechdents.com. Carr Tech Automotive Solutions, the smart choice for your dent and ding repairs.